The ocean looks calm from above, a smooth, endless blue stretching to the horizon. But this surface is a lie. Beneath it lies a world that sunlight never touches, a place so alien, so hostile, that even our imagination struggles to survive there. As we descend, the light fades, pressure tightens, and life begins to change, not slowly, not gently, but radically. The deeper we go, the more the ocean feels like it was never meant for us to see, and the creatures that live here seem less like animals and more like nightmares shaped by evolution itself. This is not a journey forward. This is a descent into Earth's most hidden world. Layer 1, the fading light, 200 to 1,000 meters. At first, the ocean still feels familiar. Fish swim like fish, shapes are recognizable, movement makes sense. But then the sunlight weakens and disappears. This region is called the twilight zone, not because it's dark, but because light here is dying. Only faint blue wavelengths survive. Everything else is swallowed by water. And in this half-light, life begins to adapt. Eyes grow larger, bodies become thinner, colors fade into red and black, shades that vanish in darkness. Some creatures stop reflecting light altogether, becoming nearly invisible. And then something strange appears. Animals that glow. Not with fire, not with electricity, but with living light. Jellyfish pulse with neon rings. Fish trail glowing dots like floating constellations. Predators flash signals no surface animal has ever evolved to see. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence, a chemical reaction inside living tissue that produces light. But here's the unsettling part. These lights aren't beautiful accidents. They are weapons, warnings, lures. Some animals use light to confuse attackers, others to communicate, and some to hunt. A small glowing point drifts in the darkness. Curious prey swims closer and vanishes. Scientists still don't know how many deep-sea species use bioluminescence, or how many signals we haven't even learned to interpret. And as the light disappears completely, the real descent begins. Layer 2, crushing pressure, 1,000 to 4,000 meters. At 1,000 meters down, the ocean stops feeling like water. Pressure here is relentless, hundreds of times stronger than at the surface, enough to crush submarines, enough to collapse steel. Yet life continues. But it doesn't look normal anymore. Fish lose their swim bladders, skeletons soften, bodies become gelatinous, designed not to resist pressure, but to surrender to it. And then we meet something unforgettable, the anglerfish. The anglerfish doesn't chase prey. It waits. Its body is misshapen, its mouth is impossibly wide, its teeth curve inward like prison bars, and above its head floats a glowing lure, alive, pulsing, hypnotic. In total darkness, this is the only light for miles. When prey approaches, the anglerfish opens its mouth and swallows animals nearly its own size whole. But the strangest part isn't its appearance, it's how it reproduces. Tiny males fuse permanently to the female's body, losing their eyes, organs, and independence, becoming nothing more than a living extension. Scientists still don't fully understand how such a system evolved, or what genetic pressures drove life to such extremes. And we are only halfway down. Layer 3, the abyss, 4,000 to 6,000 meters. Here, the ocean becomes silent. No light, near freezing temperatures. Food is scarce, falling slowly from the surface like snow made of death. This place is called the abyssal zone. Creatures here don't waste energy. They don't move unless necessary. They don't look friendly because survival has stripped away everything unnecessary. Some species have no eyes at all. Others have mouths larger than their bodies. Many are transparent, barely there. But one question haunts scientists. How does life survive here at all? In the abyss, missing a meal can mean death, so animals adapt by eating everything: dead whales, falling debris, each other. Some species can survive months or even years without food. Their metabolism slows to a crawl. Their bodies become engines of patience. And yet, despite decades of exploration, scientists still don't know how many species live here. Every deep-sea expedition discovers new creatures, new shapes, new rules. Which raises a larger question. If life can adapt to this, what can't it? And deeper still, something even stranger waits. Layer 4, the Hadal Zone, below 6,000 meters. This is the deepest part of the ocean, the trenches, places so extreme that even pressure-proof robots struggle to survive. Temperatures hover near freezing, pressure is unbearable, and yet movement appears on the camera feed. Snailfish drift through the darkness, soft, ghost-like, almost unreal. Crustaceans crawl across the seafloor, feeding on nothing we can clearly identify. These creatures shouldn't exist, but they do. Their cells contain special proteins that prevent them from collapsing. Their bodies are built without air pockets. Their chemistry is tuned to crushing force. But even here, scientists don't fully understand how their DNA remains stable, or what limits life still hasn't reached. The deeper we go, the less the ocean resembles Earth, and the more it resembles something alien. These creatures weren't designed, they weren't planned. They are the result of millions of years of pressure, darkness, hunger, and time. Evolution didn't make them beautiful, it made them functional and disturbing. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery because we've explored less than 5% of the ocean. Most of this world remains unseen, unmapped, ununderstood. Above the ocean, cities glow, satellites orbit, humanity feels advanced. But beneath our feet lies a world older, stranger, and far less understood than space. A place where life rewrote every rule we thought we knew. The deeper you go, the creepier it gets. Not because the creatures are evil, but because they reveal something unsettling. Life doesn't need comfort. It doesn't need light. It doesn't need us. And in the deepest darkness on Earth, it is still watching, waiting, evolving.